From the best Bluetooth headphones to dash cams, heaters, blenders, and a few other bargains, these are your top 5 Amazon deals of the week and a giveaway. The giveaway is my favorite part other than saving you money. Hi, I'm the deal guy, Granite. You're in my home right now. As a family, we save cash together every week, and my favorite items are the things that I give away to the wonderful people watching. If you've never seen me before, located right under this video screen, if you just expand that video description box, you're gonna see the links that I featured, which are all my favorite items on sale at Amazon this week. And I'm still getting a lot of requests for a lot of people just looking for great, life-proof, water-resistant headphones. These not only stay in very well, the price, awesome. iClever makes all sorts of great accessories and charge tech and power banks, but I will say they actually pulled it off in a big way with this pair of headphones. Stays in beautifully. You get the hands-free mic built into the cord as well as the controls, and at under 35 bucks, just a good grab that you can make for your Apple or Android smartphone. It is pothole season, and dash cams, a good purchase, which are also on sale right now at Amazon. I've tested all sorts of different dash cams, the more advanced ones made by Vantrue, but I've learned that a lot of people are just really looking for a simple dash cam that can capture footage with the ability to detect movement, something abnormal, a crash, a potential theft in your car. And if you all remember last year, I was sideswiped, and after more than $8,000 in repairs following a hit and run, I always travel with the dash cam. Right now, I wish I had this at the time. The one that I found today is expandable with a micro SD card, great 1080p footage, and the accessories you would need to mount this securely in your vehicle. You can score this deal located right under the video screen. And from pothole season to just cold, draft, uncomfortable season, a lot of you looking to give your furnace a bit of the break, but heat up some of the cooler corners of your home. Space heaters, all on sale this week on Amazon, which could be worth a look. And I should also mention it's tax time, or at least tax season. You will find that the tax software with all of the bonuses and incentives actually costs you more the longer you wait. There are no last minute deals. The best incentives are right now. And also collecting a lot of requests this week for blenders. Had a chance to test more than a dozen blenders between last year and this season. And I will tell you that my favorite right now is not only on sale, but we put it through the test, did all sorts of blending and crush tests to check the blades. And yeah, I definitely have a favorite at its lowest recorded price. You can find the links for today's deals located right under the video screen. Space heaters and tax software. I know that just got you all hot and heavy, didn't it? Well, actually could get you hot, but this is that time of the year where we're seeing there are items that happen to be niceties and then there are items that happen to be necessities. And while this isn't necessarily the sexiest thing you'll ever lay your eyes on, it can really help you and also cut a break to your furnace that could be overworking in another area of your home. Just give you that little bit of warmth instead of cranking up the thermostat for the whole household. Still getting a lot of requests for these. And tax software, again, not necessarily something we want to think or talk about, but might as well get in while you can at the lowest recorded price. Now, someone is going to score the tax software or any item I featured in this video for free. It's very simple. And before I get to that, I just want to know, what else are you guys looking for? It could be a necessity, it could be a luxury item, it could just be something you want me to test. Leave me a comment, I'll read through it. And for anyone that has left a comment in the last 6 months, using TubeBuddy's random selection tool to find a subscriber who's commented in the last 6 months, congratulations goes to Debbie Z! And you were wishing me a nice time in Vegas. It was awesome. If anyone wants to look back into my older CES videos and see the action, just look back at our playlist. Go you! Debbie! That's you, girl. Awesome. And by the way, you can pick any item that I featured in this video and score that for free. And if you're watching right now and you're thinking, well, I want to do that, I want to get some items for free, no problem. There's a very easy process to get subscribed. You can just click on my head right here. That'll subscribe you to this channel if you need help turning on your notifications or leaving a comment. Got a demo up there. And that last big roundup of deals I found, it's just like basically on the space heater. Click there.